Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing very good and very well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Leather Fashion and welcome back to the another video. Today I am here with the latest and classy outfits of leather. These black leather outfits are really very cool. You look stunning when you wear these outfits. These outfits are eye-catching outfits. You can wear these dresses whenever you want. You look pretty when you wear these outfits. These classy outfits are really very cool. You look stunning and gorgeous when you wear these outfits. These outfits look makes you perfect. I hope you like these outfits. If you like these outfits, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Leather Fashion and don't forget to share my video with your friends and your family members. I hope you like these outfits. These outfits are the latest fashion of 2024. These stunning outfits make you look perfect. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel Leather Fashion and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching my video.